Welcome back, students. In this lesson, we will start new section, which index of symbols. Let's start. Go to YQuark bottom, then click Index Symbols. These are the symbols of index symbols of YQArch plugin. First one is section symbol. Choose the first point to fourth endpoint. Next, section symbol 2. Choose the first point to fourth endpoint. Elevation indexer. Click over the screen. Next symbol is elevation indexer. Click over the screen. Elevation indexer 2. Click over the screen. Elevation indexer 3. Click over the screen. And this is the last L. They are that you can use 4 sides of elevation. Detail DWG symbol. Click over the screen. Detail DWG symbol 2. User indexer. Click first, second, and third point. User indexer 2. Click first, second, and third point. User indexer 3. Click first, second, and third point. User indexer 4. Click first, second, and third point. User indexer 5. Click first, second, and third point. User indexer 6. Choose type
Click
and
first,
set polar
second, and
angle
third
from
point.
setting. User indexer 6. Choose type and set polar angle from setting. I will stop speaking. Make whatever I will make.